Ever wondered what makes your garden smell so captivating? It's more than just a feast for the eyes. Aromas play a vital role in enhancing your garden's charm. Aromatic herbs, in particular, contribute significantly to this fragrant symphony. It's the aromatic herbs that infuse your garden with their irresistible scents. Here are the top 5 aromatic herbs that you might want to consider for your fragrant herb garden. First up, basil. This herb has a sweet and spicy aroma that can brighten up any space. It's a sun-loving plant that thrives in well-drained soil, making it an ideal addition to your summer garden. Next on the list is lavender. Known for its soothing scent, this perennial herb is a great choice for those seeking a calming ambiance. It loves full sun and needs good drainage to flourish. Rosemary is third on our list. This hardy evergreen herb gives off a strong, piney scent. It enjoys lots of sunlight and well-drained soil and can withstand some drought. Mint is our fourth aromatic herb. Its refreshing aroma is a staple in many gardens. Mint is a vigorous grower that prefers partial shade and moist soil. Be mindful, though, as it can be invasive if not managed properly. Last but not least, thyme. This herb offers a subtle, earthy aroma and is a charming addition to rock gardens or borders. It enjoys full sun and well-drained soil. These herbs not only add a delightful aroma to your garden, but also have various culinary and medicinal uses. Intrigued by these aromatic herbs? Imagine the sensory delight of adding these fragrant stars to your green sanctuary. We'd love to hear about your gardening adventures. Next time, we'll continue our journey into the world of gardening, exploring even more ways to make your garden thrive. So stay tuned. And remember, your garden is a reflection of you, full of potential and awaiting your creative touch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Your garden will thank you.